With their successful release of the Seiko 5 GMTs, Seiko have released 2 new colorways for us to feast upon. This is the SSK035K GMT with its dark green theme, and this is the SSK033K GMT with its icy white theme. So let's take a look at this white and blue model first. With its silvery white dial and stainless steel construction, this model is so bright I almost need my sunnies just to check the time. A two-tone black and blue bezel does well to add in some color, but you do have to catch it at the right angle for the blue to actually look blue. You can see me having a hard time here. That's because the bezel is hardlex glass, just like the crystal. Love it or hate it, it's there. Personally, I like the glossy finish, but it doesn't lend itself too well to legibility. However, it still looks pretty classy if you ask me. The fourth hand included is of course the GMT hand, painted blue along with the GMT logo. Aside from the GMT hand, basic functions on these are identical to any other Seiko 5. The 4R34 movement affords the wearer 41 hours of power reserve, and we can always flip the watch around to see this movement through the exhibition caseback. So, an icy white looking model in the 033K, but let's look at the other model, the 035K. Now, this one is a little bit darker in appearance, but looks equally as classy. The green dial has a radiant sunburst effect to it, adding a touch of elegance. The GMT hand and GMT logo are now a nice golden yellow, which contrasts well against this dark dial. And again, the two-tone bezel is topped with hardlex, so very reflective, but overall a slick looking piece. The included stainless steel bracelets found on these Seiko 5 GMTs is this Jubilee style bracelet, which arguably is a lot nicer to wear compared to the standard Seiko 5 bracelet due to its increased flexibility. And it also looks a lot nicer in my opinion, but of course that is personal preference. But the good thing about these watches is that the bracelet can be changed out with any 22mm strap. You could essentially get multiple looks out of one watch and a few different straps or bracelets. And there you go, 2 new colorways of the Seiko 5 GMT models. Which one are you leaning towards, the dark 035K or the light 033K? Personally, I love the lighter model, but do let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to like this video if you like this release from Seiko, subscribe to the Watch Stepper YouTube channel for more watch content, and I'll catch you in the next one.